the Ugly.
Is that your same logo? You use that same
For
logo?
myself?
Yeah, like the Mix 96 logo. Is that the same logo?
Yeah, pretty much. We have Best Songs, Best Variety on there now.
Our logo has changed a little bit.
A little bit.
Same anniversary sale, different logo.
Yeah.
Same staff.
Same shameless plug.
Yeah. Same
Shameless
store.
plug Joel is still the same.
Same colors, kind of. Our shirts are black now.
Okay, which coach is this? Was this another height event?
I think, was this the coach that he was a mechanic at Funk's Toyota?
Oh!
Was this the one?
And he left it out on the stairs?
Yeah, I think so. He didn't even care. He negotiated over the air, and he wasn't even around. He just put it outside and trust him.
Right.
I think this is the coach. I don't remember.
Yeah, because I went and negotiated with him at work at Funk's, and then he just had it thrown out in the lawn. It was like halfway down the stairs.
After this,
Yeah.
and that's what everybody's.
Funk's Toyota is like right down the street from where McMahon and Yates is.
Thanks, shameless plug, Joel. Yeah. And this is the actual coach people are going to be winning.
It's made in Canada.
Coach,
You can buy it.
it's not awkward at all, is it? Oh, look at this. This is the best.
This is.
Of course, I said the other one was the best too.
This is not low budget anymore.
No,
this mixer's
forget special effects. This is that really happened.
Yeah.
2 cement trucks.
2 cement mixers
Ripping.
with big bungee cords.
Yeah!
I remember right now at this moment, all the concrete guys out at the plant wanted to burn that coach. They wanted to cover it in diesel fuel and burn it. And we wouldn't let them. So I believe this is what happens next. When you don't listen to 20 concrete truck drivers and the guys at the plant, this is what they do.
Well, I remember you didn't feel fulfilled. Like there wasn't that sense of fulfillment for you.
Well, we had tied those bungee straps, so we thought when it happened that it was going to kind of
But really, it just ripped the end ripped off.
Yeah, what's going on?
Yeah! Bringing it back.
Would you believe that our payload driver is still with us? Like
Same payload driver?
Why would you leave? Why would Jimmy leave when he gets to do stuff like this?
Somehow we need to incorporate that payloader this year. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, this was a bad idea.
Yeah, we didn't burn the couch and they weren't happy.
This is headed for the dumpster.
You know, it seemed like a good idea at the time. Like when we started.
Is it true the payloader adds 10 pounds?
We should involve a chainsaw.
You're being generous. Okay, first I'm pretending to be scared, right? This is all acting, right?
Then
Acting.
he tilts the bucket, and that's when I was a little freaked out.
The acting ended.
I'm not too much of a man to
Right
admit
there.
I was scared.
These guys always.
Yeah, see, he tilts the bucket. You can't tell from the video. You can't tell that he tilted the bucket.
We were hanging on for
And I
dear
was
life.
scared.
We were sliding.
I was scared. Yeah. I'm glad we stopped recording before I took a swing at Jimmy for tilting the bucket. It was just a little poke.
We should have had this sponsored by Depends.
Yeah.
Honestly. Like, afterthought, keep that one in mind.
Oh no, corny.
We've got ground. Okay, good job, Joel. I'd just like to say, Courtney, we're trained professionals. Let's not do this at home. This is a closed course.
Trained professionals. You know what? We should have had a disclaimer on that.
Trained professionals. He's a trained professional.
We're professionally trained idiots.
Boy.
Wow.
Ugly Couch 2, Night of the Living Couch. Enter your couch at Steinbach Online, the Ugly Couch Contest on Mix 96.